Every year, over 40 lakh students in India choose the commerce stream. If you are one of them or a parent supporting one, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and little bit of fear. Is CA the only way? What if I'm not good at maths? Will this lead to stable life? Let's start with the big three, the traditional path that offers immense respect and stability. If you love logic and have high appetite for hard work, chartered accountancy, that is CA, is the gold standard. It's about auditing, taxation, and being the financial backbone of any particular company. It takes about 4 to 6 years, and while it is challenging, it is incredibly affordable. The entire course can cost you around 1 1.5 lakhs, which you can often recover during your training period itself. But what if your strength lies in law and governance rather than just accounts? Then company secretaries might be your colleague. You become a legal representative of a company, ensuring them ensuring they follow all the regulations. And for those who are interested in how of a product, like how much a t-shirt costs to make and how to increase profit, cost and management accounting, that is CMA, is the way to go. Parents, these paths requires patience. They are marathons, not sprints. Success here isn't just about intelligence, it's about discipline. There is a common myth that commerce is for students who couldn't get science, or that it's a easy subject. But let's clear that up right now. Commerce isn't about numbers. It's the engine that runs the world, from Apple and Tata to the local startup, making your life easier. Behind everything, a great idea is a business mind, making it a profitable business. Today, we are going to walk through your options with honesty and heart, so you can choose a path that fits who you are really. Maybe you want a global passport. If you want to work in countries like UK, Dubai, Singapore, New Zealand, look at ACCA or CFA. ACCA is like a global version of CA, valid in over 180 plus countries. It is more flexible with exams held quarterly and can be completed faster, often in 2 to 3 years' time. Then there is CFA, that is Chartered Financial Analyst, the crown jewel for those who want to enter investment banking or hedge funds. It's expensive upfront, but the return on investment in the global market is massive. The world has changed. Today, you don't need to pursue 5 year degree to start earning. If you have an analytical mind and love technology, data analytics and business analytics are booming. You help companies make sense of their data to grow. Even without advanced coding knowledge, tools like Excel and Python can open doors to high paying roles. For the creative ones, there is digital marketing and content creation. In a world where every brand needs an online presence, experts in search engine optimization and social media management are being hired like never before. These skills are perfect for students who want to start earning early while pursuing their graduation. Now, parents, here is the most important part. Don't just follow the crowd. Look at your child's natural powers. Do they love arguing and logics? Look at law, maybe something like BBA LLB. Are they natural leaders who can resolve conflicts? Then management program with a BBA or a MBA is a field to be chosen. Do they love numbers and policy? Economics honors can lead to the role in RBI or government think tanks? Are they exceptionally good at high level maths? Actuarial science offers some of the highest salaries in insurance and risk management. Finally, a pro tip for everyone: consider the safety combo. Doing a professional course like CA or ACCA alongside a regular BCom degree gives you the best of both worlds: academic safety and professional edge. Guidelines for parents: your support is biggest asset to your child. Understand their interest. Look at your family budget and remember that no career is small if you are the best at it. Urge to the students: don't feel pressured to have it all figured out today. The doors aren't closing, they are just opening. Whether you want to be an entrepreneur, a corporate leader, or a financial wizard, the commerce stream is your launchpad. Choose with clarity, work with consistency, and success will follow you. You have got this. In case you have found this particular video helpful, do like, share, and comment for similar topics, and subscribe for more videos on career guidance. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.